Waqar Ahmed Sahab from Lahore, Pakistan. Waqar Ahmed Sahab asking about proxy marketing. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Mufti Sahab, I want to know about the use of proxy marketing in e-commerce business. Amazon, eBay, Alibaba and Daraz. From the Islamic point of view, please provide the valid proof with proper reference. Thanks. Waqar Ahmed, business analyst, ECS Lahore. Dear brother Waqar Ahmed, we have research on your question, so we got the answer. You can do it. It is completely halal, no problem, because all of such businesses fundamentally they are not doing any cheating and any interest based business. So in Islam will be not allowed for you to do any such business if involved in cheating or in interest based. And like such businesses, if you are doing marketing for Amazon, eBay, like such websites or e-commerce businesses, it is completely halal for you, it is lawful for you, you can do it, no problem. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.